Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the form you own and finding the specific question with the choices to remove. Once you see the choices list, click into that question so it becomes editable. Make sure the question type supports choices, like multiple choice or checkboxes, because you cannot remove options from open-ended questions. You're taking control now. The goal is to get the choices exposed and ready for quick edits before proceeding to delete or modify items. You now remove or edit each unwanted option. Click the small X or trash icon next to a choice, or place your cursor in the option text and press delete to remove it quickly. If you want to preserve response history, consider editing the option text instead of deleting. That keeps older responses linked. Once done with one choice, move to the next. Make sure to check for duplicate or hidden choices that might need separate removal, especially in long lists. You finish by previewing the form and confirming the choices behave as intended. Click the eye icon to test live selection. If you accidentally remove something, immediately use Undo or Open Version History to restore prior content. Make sure collaborators aren't preventing changes by checking sharing permissions. If they are, ask the owner to grant editing rights. If responses already exist tied to deleted choices, verify how they display in responses. Sometimes renaming is safer than deletion to preserve data.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.